This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 58 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. Getting some bits built this time as opposed to last time, so yeah, lots of things to do. The fall of Megatron. He falls, but he gets back up again. He's always going to be the bad guy, isn't he? What we've got there, hunting season. Not sure what that's about. If you want to read the words, feel free to pause and zoom in and things. Mirage, yes, I'm aware of Mirage. The race car type. Like that, good. Still looking at Beast Wars Neo. Still don't know anything about it. Some toys in there. I quite like the snake, that's quite cool. Other pretty generic things on there. So yes, this is the torso part 22. It's huge, the torso, isn't it? So yeah, no screws involved in this one. Just snapping bits together to add decorative bits and tubes. It's got the these exhaust pipes adding into the shoulders there. So yeah, I am loving how this comes together. The detail is phenomenal. So let me clear this out of the way and let's get it built. Right, so the parts we've got for this one, I've already done a little bit of the pre-assembly to make sure I get the bits the right way around. So I'll jump in and do that again now. Basically that just goes on there like that. That goes onto there like that. And then we need to bring in, once again, the hugeness of the torso. Basically we're building up the top part on this. It's getting so difficult to find somewhere to hold it because there's all of these bits. They're all articulated and move, and it's just difficult to find someone to hold without bending bits out of shape. So for now we'll do this. So this bit will go on this side. Just pins that hold this in place. There's 3 locating pins for that if I can find them. Feel like that's it. 2 down the bottom there and 1 there. That might be it. Not sure if that is that. Is that top one? One there that I'm aiming for, so it's sort of in the middle there. Up there. Then get that round there. So there you go. That's going on there like that. The same on the other side. We'll get that on there. Try and get that single pin lined up, and then you just got to worry about the rotation to get that on there like that. This bit then goes in the middle with the 3 pins down there, like that, but on there properly. There you go. That, and then these will be going the smokestacks. There, and that one on the other side. So yeah, it's really building up to look like Prime now, isn't it? I can't wait to get the head attached. That's really going to be the big bit. But next time, I think we're doing some more work on the back. So see you soon for that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.